Welcome to A-Tech. Do you want to recover old Gmail account without password, OTP and phone? So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Gmail app in your phone. Here on top right corner, tap on profile icon. Here you will see the list of Gmail IDs you already sign in. So here click on add another account. In setup mail section, select Google. Here type your old Gmail ID that you want to recover. And type next. Now it's time to enter password. If you don't know your password, tap on try another way. Tap try another way again. Now Google asks you again, choose how you want to sign in, so here check the last digits of your number. If you have this number in your phone, tap on two-step verification phone. Here Google may ask for account recovery, if you have any recovery email, so select it, and if you don't have access to recovery email, then again select try another way to sign in. Now Google asks for another Gmail account, on which Google will send a link to recover your account. So provide another email address to receive recovery link. Now Google may ask for verification code, sent on that email account. So provide that code and you will receive Gmail account recovery link on that email after 48 hours. So after receiving account recovery link, just update your password and set new one. So in this way you can recover your old Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.